Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today we talk KASPA KAS. We're gonna share with you the charts on KASPA, our thoughts on KASPA, what's coming for KASPA. Make sure to smash the like, cook the like, leave a comment, and let's dive into the video. Okay, I'm gonna start Jomo with the KASPA chart. We have a retest. We retested very beautifully this area of interest. Okay, this is the major area we want to see KASPA above. See, that was our support for the last year, and now it's our resistance. This is what we want to take. We want KASPA above it, hold above it, stay above it, and then, in my opinion, we're gonna go to a new bull market for KASPA, new bull run for KASPA. But I need to see it coming up above this level. Now, also, it looks like it's setting up here for a breakout trade. So if you miss that breakout for KASPA, that's okay. You can always take the next breakout or just ape-in on the dips or stuff like that. If you don't have risk management and you don't use stops and you like to get wrecked, that's perfectly fine as well. But yeah, definitely, we definitely in the community gonna buy the breakout here. That's like just like we bought it here. That was an amazing trade for the community. We nailed, max gain almost 40% from the move from the breakout, and now we're having a little position. We bought the dip, and we're looking for the breakout of the 10 cents, sorry, the 10 or 11, the 11 cents, sorry, the breakout above the 11 cent for us to trigger another add to the position. And yeah, KASPA looking good. I also gonna look on some momentum here. Let's look on the momentum here. By the way, you see the weekly going up, very nice. Weekly looking sexy here, just like we had here. Momentum, getting some momentum here. Let's look on the 2-week. 2-week. I'm gonna keep you posted later once we're gonna close it. But also we close the month for KASPA, so happy new month for KASPA traders. May month looking pretty nice. April month. Okay, looks like this is a bottom from, it looks like a local bottom for KASPA, and we want to see this thing coming up above this level as well. You see that level here for the monthly resistance around the 13-cent mark. Guys, cook the like, smash the like, join the community if you like trading KASPA. Leave us a like. And Jomo, what do you think about the KAS price?
KASPA KAS, man. The KASPA army is watching us. We're trying to navigate this for them and to help them navigate these markets. Look, you said almost everything, and we've been talking about it in the past few weeks, how, we nailed the bottom with a beautiful entry, the first trade around 8 cents. Right, we took some profits, and now we're looking for a second entry. Whether we still have a position or you're looking to initiate a new position, me and CM, we're trying to help you navigate, all right, what should be your next trigger. Okay, so we're looking at it like traders. That's who we are. We're traders. We are swing traders, momentum traders in the market, and this is what we're trying to do. Look, what CM said, and he said it beautifully. This is the area we want to be above. Okay, we want to be above the 11 cents area, and we're looking for the breakout. You can see we had a rejection here after a first initial bounce. We actually went short over here. We shorted here and we shorted here, two beautiful shorts. Now it got rejected here, and actually we think that the momentum has shifted. Okay, instead of believing it's going to go down, which is always can, all right, we're traders, we understand that there's always both sides we need to be open to. Okay, but we believe that the momentum has shifted. Okay, and we see that what the chart is trying to do, and look, KASPA chart is always so classic. It's classic in the sense that it helps you to trade it, okay, in the way that you can see on the chart a lot of let's call it symmetry. All right, a lot of symmetry in the chart, and symmetry in charts is what helps you navigate it beautifully. So what we saw, this was, let's call this a left shoulder. You can call all this the head. So two heads with a shakeout over here, beautiful. That's always, and over here you have the right shoulder as well. This is a short-term inverse on the shoulders that is helping us to say, you know what, this is a tradable bottom. So we traded it from over here, and CM will show the trade. We've shown it multiple times, and other trades we have taken as well in this past few weeks. We went short in the past, now we're long. That's how we do. That's how traders, professional traders do it. And I think we're the only ones in YouTube helping you actually to navigate, these shifts between longs and shorts. And now, On the right shoulder, what we're looking at is a potential volatility contraction pattern. So you're seeing volatility contracting. This is actually constructive. This is something that we want to see before a breakout. Then when a breakout happens, the tighter it can get on this right side of the chart, right? The tighter it can get and the longer it can build, because a week isn't as of a tightening isn't as strong as 2 weeks tightening or 3 weeks tightening, right? The more ferocious the breakout will be. And this is what we want to see. So just to illustrate, what we want to see is some sort of a sideways action with tightening volatility and then a breakout out of this level. This is what we want to see. Of course, we're going to put a stop below the low of the breakout day or below the low of the pivot. Always use stops, always use risk management. That's how we do it as professional traders. This is what we're looking at for KASPA. Right now, KASPA is behaving very natural, CM. You know, it had that push from the 8 cents, got rejected from the 11 cents. Now it's building natural action, right? Natural action, these dips, this contraction volatility, all natural, okay? If this goes abnormal, goes below the 8 cents, and even worse, below the 6 cents again, that would be bad. But right now, natural action. Once we broke out from the 8 cents, that's it. That's what we wanted to do. And hey, CM, maybe we have something else to add, or you want to show the trade.
Guys, we invite you to join our community, okay? This is now a bullish market. Okay, I want to show you a trade we took in the community, virtual. That was the trade 9 days ago, man, while KASPA is chopping. KASPA trade, we made 30%, 40%. Virtual gave us a double. This was our entry here, buy the break above 65. All the members bought this trade. They got email notification. They scoop the bag automatically. Boom, I'll show you the trade of virtual. Virtual is the best trade at the moment, where I have it here. All right, let me show you this one. Okay, you can see I already marked it. This was our entry here, above this level, above the 85, right here. That was our entry here in the community 9 days ago. Boom, show you the trade.
Beautiful trade.
Amazing profit, man. 120%, man. What KASPA did, 30%. Look, we love KASPA, we trade KASPA, but we always know that there is something else that will make you much more money, and that's what we're looking for, money. If you want to join our community, man, to print money, this is the time now. Why is the time? Because now, let me stop sharing. Now, maybe it looks like Bitcoin will pull back, consolidate. Now we are starting, again, we're hopefully starting a new bull into the end of the year, maybe into the fall, maybe into the summer. Who cares, okay? You're going to get a money season now. We're starting a money season with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the daddy. Now Bitcoin flash it, and now your job as a trader, or you call yourself an investor, is to be positioned in the biggest leaders, in the best bankers, because what you want is money before they pull the rug, whenever they decide to pull the rug. You want the biggest money and obviously the lowest risk. So you want to trade the best names, the winners. That's why you want to join our service, because our service always nailing the leaders. You go back to the channel for the last 6 years or whatever, 5 years, always again and again and again and again. It doesn't matter if it's a DeFi, if it's a gaming or AI or whatever nonsense you want to put in your brain. We smoke it. Why? Because we trade the best performing assets consistently, and we deliver it to our members. So if you like money, sir, if you like money, yeah, big money, and you want to retain your money and profit, you better fucking join the community, the service, because you're gonna miss out. Because now all these leaders that we have on the radars, okay, that you're not even aware because you're so cultist on the KASPA or whatever coin you're holding, or XRP or whatever, you miss out on the other mega trades that are setting up now. Now they're setting up for the next leg up, and we're gonna smoke it. So better join our community. Thank you guys for watching. Cook the like. See you in the next video. No edge,
no trade. Cheers, everybody.